Good morning, hello, Twin Force Fusion. I hope you're all doing well. Quickly this morning, I just did an unboxing of a UPR Billet one-way valve cover crankcase breather kit. It's a long title for a small like 3-piece thing, if you count the clamp. This is what comes, and I'll explain to you this. So again, it's a Billet one-way valve cover crankcase breather kit. The benefits, why you want this, especially for those who have more boost, it's basically it release the unwanted crankcase pressure under boost, especially in the very top end RPM. So this thing has a, as you could hear, a check ball that prevents unwanted air from entering the engine. It's a direct fit, so really no tools you're required. Basically, just a flat screwdriver. It's, as you can see, it's a CNC billet body, and there's a little filter. I went online. I tried to find a picture. I don't have my car at this location right now. But this picture shows on a 5.0, and well, obviously the filter is a little different. It's flatter, I guess it fits if you have the engine cover. Maybe that's why it's made this way. But most of us don't use the engine cover. But to my knowledge, this will fit all the Ecoboost engines and the 5.0. So quickly, I just wanted to share this. UPR Billet one-way valve cover crankcase breather kit. Take care. And earlier this morning, well, around 2 o'clock in the morning, I sent off the information to Tori, and hopefully tomorrow, after tomorrow, it'll send me a new tune and we'll start on the data logging. Take care, bye.